invigorating. Love. You are in love with love, Pisces, but sometimes it's the idea of love that intrigues you more than the day-to-day details of making a relationship work. In 2021, you will find yourself feeling profoundly romantic throughout the year, but you need to ground those feelings with a common-sense approach to love. You often approach love like a child, not taking it seriously until you find that you have lost what you desired. But if you work on being more present in the moment and appreciating what you have when you have it, you will find that your love life can benefit tremendously. Another challenge you often face is your tendency to internalize problems, including the problems you may experience in a relationship. You go off on a mental tangent rather than sharing what you are thinking and feeling with your mate, and you may come to the solution that something can't be fixed when actually it can be. This year, you need to work on deeper communication about relationship problems so that you can learn to work through them rather than giving up. If you do, you will find that your relationships have greater endurance. Both single Pisces and those who have a significant other will benefit from closer attention to what makes your relationships tick and by being more connected when troubles arise.